So welcome back students. So in previous video we have seen increase percent and or decrease percent. Now we will see how to find the discount. Discount means what? You have to understand the concept of discount first. 10% discount on particular object, 20% discount on particular object means what? So whatever mark price you have, from that you have to subtract the discount price. Again I am repeating, whatever mark price you have, suppose you have a t-shirt of 200 rupees, on that you have 20% discount. So what is the price of that t-shirt? You have to subtract 20 rupees per 100. So 40 rupees you have to deduct from the 200. So the price is 160 rupees. So your mark price is 200. Then whatever discount is given in percentage, that you have to convert into rupees. Whatever rupees you are getting, that you have to subtract from the mark price. So this is how we can find a discount. So let's see. So discount is equal to what? So discount is equal to whatever mark price you have minus sale price. So see the definition. Discount is a reduction given on the mark price of an article. So this is generally given to attract customers to buy goods or to promote sales of goods. You can find the discount by subtracting its selling price from its mark price. Sometimes it happens mark price is given, it will be crossed out and then written selling price. You have already observed whenever there is a festival time duration, on that you have written the mark price, then it is crossed out like this. Suppose you have 500 is a mark price, maximum retail price MRP, it is crossed out like this and written here 200 rupees. Okay, so 500 to 200. So that is the discount is rupees 300. I am just giving you example, don't take it seriously, okay? So this is your discount of rupees 300. So that if you want to find the percentage, that also you can find. Sometimes it happens the discount is given in the percentage, that you have to convert into rupees and then you have to find what is the selling price or what is the mark price. So in this we will see such kind of examples. For that you have to understand what is discount, how you can find the discount. Okay, if the mark price is given and selling price is given, then you can find the discount. Suppose discount percent is given, mark price is given. So discount percent you have to convert into rupees. Then from the mark price you have to subtract the discount, you are getting the selling price. So let's see the examples. Your first examples, let's see. Example 3. So what is the example? An item marked at rupees 840 is sold for rupees 740. Again I am repeating the questions. So example 3, what is given? The mark price is equal to rupees 840 and selling price is equal to rupees 740. So what is the discount? So discount is equal to what? Whatever mark price, that is 840 minus selling price, that is sales price 740. So what is your answer? Rupees 126. This way we can find the discount. Now your next question. Whatever discount is given, that you have to convert into percentage. Then how will you convert? So this discount you are getting on what? Mark price. What is your mark price? 840. So if your mark price is 840, then your discount is rupees 126. So what about when your mark price is 100? Then what is your discount? So this we can write in terms of formula. So how will you write? So discount percent is equal to what? Whatever discount you are getting, divide by whatever is your mark price, multiplied by 100. So this is your formula to find discount percent. Same formula you can apply for the discount whenever you want to find discount in rupees. So discount percent we want to find. find. So discount in rupees is what? 126. What is the mark price? 840. Multiply by 100. Do the cancellation. So this will cancel. First you cancel with 2. So this is 42 and this is 63. Again you can cancel it by 7. 9 sevens are and this is 6 sevens. Again you can cancel by 3 threes are and this is 2 threes and this is 2 fives are. So what is your answer? 3 multiplied by 5, that is 15%. So 126 rupees discount means you are getting 15% discount on mark price. So this way we can find the discount and discount percent. Again I am repeating, you have to remember this formula. Discount percent is equal to discount in rupees. Whatever discount you are getting, by subtraction of this, that rupees, discount in rupees, divide by whatever mark price you have, multiply by 100. By 100, that is your percentage. So this way we can find the discount percent. So see in your textbook, the formula is already given with one statement that you can also find discount when discount percent is given, because now we know how to calculate discount in rupees and discount in percentage. Okay. Let's see the example 4. The list price of a frog is rupees 220. A discount of 20% is announced on sales. What is the amount of discount on it and its sales price? Okay, so here we don't know what is the mark price. So for that, what we have to consider, whatever discount in percent is given, always we find the percentage in terms of 100. If you don't know selling price, if you don't know mark price, then you have to consider your mark price is 100. On that 100 rupees, you are getting the discount. Whatever percent is there, it converted into rupees automatically as you are taking the 100 as a rupees mark price. So mark price is same as the list price. Okay, whatever price is written on the frog, that is your mark price, or you can say list price. So let's see how to solve this question. So example 4. So whatever your mark price, list price is given, that is your mark price. That is 220. Now what is given? The discount percent. Discount is what? So 20% discount is given. Discount is equal to 20%. What we have to find? Here we have to find what is the amount of discount and sales price. So I am following the method which I taught you in the previous example. So what we have to do? 20% discount is given in the percent. Discount is given in the percentage. We know the mark price of frog, that is your 220. So what we have to do? 20% means if your mark price is 100 rupees, then your discount is 20 rupees. So if your mark price is 220, then what is your discount? That is your unitary method that we will not follow. So we directly follow the formula, that is discount percent is equal to discount. This discount is in rupees divided by, mark price multiplied by 100. Remember only this formula whenever you want to find the discount percent or you want to find the discount in rupees. The same formula you have to apply. This is the very simplest method. Whatever given in your textbook, that also you can follow, but this one formula is useful in both discount percent and discount in rupees. So we follow only this. So discount percent is given, that is 20%. Discount rupees we don't know, write it as it is. Mark price we know, that is 220 and 100 as it is. So now what we want to form? Only this discount percent. So this division will go over here as a multiplication and this 100 will go as a division. Don't write percentage sign. Discount percent is 20. So therefore 20 multiplied by 220 divided by 100. What it gives you? Discount in rupees. So cancel it. This is also cancelled. So what is the answer? Rupees 44. So what is the selling price? So selling price is equal to, or you can say sales price is equal to mark price minus discount. So here your mark price is rupees 220 minus 44. So what is the answer? Rupees 10 minus 4 is 6. 11 minus 4 is 7. So what is the answer? Rupees 176 after giving discount of 20%. Okay. So this way we can find example 4. It's up to you. It's a very simplest method which is not given in your textbook. Okay. Simply you have to remember this formula. It is very easy to understand with the help of this formula. I am not following the textbook method. Sorry for that. Because the easiest way is this. So this way we can find example 4. Discount in rupees and discount percent is already given, and then we can find the selling price. Thank you.